Good morning everyone. Today we're looking at a bit of a sort of a treat watch. We're looking at the Accurist Origin 7001. This is the watch that looks a little bit like the AP Royal Oak chronograph in stainless steel blue. Before we actually move on to that though, let's have a brief look at the actual box. So the actual box is a little bit different to what an Accurist box usually comes in. They usually have that sort of smaller box style to them, but this one's a bit more of a presentation style box. We've got that big Accurist sort of logo printed on the front with a nice simple lift off lid as well. As you can see from inside, we've got a nice little watch display sort of roll. It's becoming more and more common nowadays when people want to go travelling with their watches. You get like a watch roll. Yes, so this is the a nice imprinted Accurist London with an orange stitching and a green star army finish lined fabric watch roll here. It's firm but not too firm. It's firm but it's more like a firm mattress, or so to speak. Really, there's a bit of give to it and comfort as well. That looks fabulous. The watch roll inside is connected by double-ended sort of popper buttons to the sides. Excellently presented in my opinion. So here we go, guys. This is the Accurist AP Origin 7001, 41mm with a 10mm case diameter. This watch retails around about £200, and you've got a fully sapphire glass topping to it and the chronograph function, as you can see here. So looking at the face in a bit more detail, we've obviously got luminous hands here and luminous increments going around the side, and we've obviously got the chronograph functions as well. It's just a very sort of simplistic look with a simple chronograph function and a 24-hour readout as well. Excellent clicking buttons to it as well. Let's have a look at the chronograph and how it moves. Here you go, excellent clicking mechanism to that. And a simple wind back function. Doesn't quite go back to the 60, not quite sure why that is. Yeah, so got a nice thick Accurist text there as well. I'm not sure that's the default Accurist font. It's not, I don't think. It's probably because it's a bit more of a special model. And you've also got your date readout down the bottom here as well. Let's have a look at the around the casing. So you've obviously got a flat style bezel here with mineral glass going all the way across the top, 100 m water resistance, and a lined matte stainless steel finish here. You can see go around the side here. This probably will be 904 or super duplex. Come around to the buttons, you've got chrome mirror finish stainless steel buttons here and crown. Speaking of the crown, let's have a look at the movement of this crown, see how well it goes. An excellent popping mechanism to it. Very strong. An excellent sound as well when it actually clicks out of place. A very nice clicking down mechanisms as well. This is an excellent watch, excellent quality as well. So coming down to the strap, you've got an AP style strap, stainless steel. Got a bit of coating on that, but it's a lined stainless steel finish to match the actual casing of the watch. Coming down even further, we've got a button system, double-ended, double fold-over class system here. Unfortunately, the inside of this strap isn't sort of the quality of the rest of the watch. It's got like a sort of cheaper style fold-over system to it. To adjust the strap, you will need like a hammer and a little pin to knock out these pins here. These aren't screws, don't be fooled by that. And you've also got a quick release double-ended popper system here. So it's just sometimes you have to put like tweezers inside here to adjust these two pins to get these out. But this one it's just a quick release lever inside there, both sides. Also looking at the back here while we're here, we've got a little imprint here of London as well and Greenwich on the back there. Not a common feature you see here. Usually it's just printed with words and text. So what does this text say here? Just your water resistance and your model code. An excellent little watch. there we go, guys. That is the Accurist AP Origin 41 70001.